So we will start research ethics. Am I audible? I think I am audible. Okay. So what are ethics?
Yes, sir.
What are ethics? Yes.
Sir, it is a system of moral principles.
Yeah, it is moral principle. What these moral principles do? Yes. Yes.
Uh, I mean, not always think for yourself, or think for
Yes.
what is
See
good for society or social and other
what they
individuals.
meant
That is
in
it.
what they meant in general in the context of research. We will talk about it, that. Okay. Yes. Yes. Continue. You are right. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So ethics are the principles and guidelines which helps us to uphold the things we value. They help us in upholding our values, and as you said that these are the moral principles which help us to govern our behavior and conduct in conducting of an activity. So what activity we are talking about here? It is research, right? So what are the main research ethics? Can you name a few? Yes.
Sir, during research, we have to collect some data, and
Yes.
during the collection of data, the respondents sometimes share their personal data, and which is relevant to
Yes.
our
Yes.
research. But sometimes they are hesitant to share that because they are afraid of expose their some kind of private data. So to maintain the privacy of that respondent, one kind of research ethics. Another is sometimes we are very subjective. To get the actual result, what are not found in the reality. So we manipulate the data. So I think this would be one kind of research
Yes.
ethics
Yes.
that
Yes.
has to
Yes.
be
Yes.
considered.
Uh, the first thing I will start with, that it's a reflection, or it is a reflection of respect for those who take part in research. Mean your respondent on which you are doing your research. It's respect for the you. You can see the word respect for the respondents. The main guiding principle is respect for respondents to whom you are doing research, to whom you are asking questions. So what respect is, that first, no unreasonable, unsafe, or thoughtless demand are made. No unreasonable, unsafe, or thoughtless demand. Means, what do I mean by that? Yes, yes. What do I mean by that? No unreasonable demand, no probing questions unless and until it is very necessary for your research, right?
Yes, sir.
No unreasonable question, no probing question, no personal question, no personal and unreasonable question. Yes, unless and until it is very necessary for the research, right? And one very important thing is anonymity. What is anonymity? Yes, what is anonymity? Yes, what is anonymity? Yes, what is anonymity?
Um, the respondent should not be identified by his name.
Yes,
Actually, the data
and
has to be collected, but
yes, yes,
we could not
and we have to ensure, we have to assure and ensure him or her that we will not use the use your name, your personal data. We will not use your personal data. We will not use your personal data. Personal data means, yes, personal data means, let me, yes, personal data means
Sir, name,
Name.
place, residence, everything
name,
regarding his, individual identity, as
and
age,
individual
job,
identity.
and
Yes,
anything.
yes, and his religion, caste, creed, gender, we will not use that. His beliefs we will not use. Anonymity, his or her personal data will not be used. We will not use, we will assure him or her that we will not use your personal data, and we will means assure and ensure honestly, we will ensure that it is not the case. ऐसा नहीं कि उससे कह दिया कि हम नहीं यूज करेंगे और हम यूज करने लगे, राइट? And another thing, objectivity. Objectivity means here, I will ensure or you will ensure that the data you have taken will use for the particular research you have told him. And you will have to tell, you will have to keep him or her informed for what purpose you are using that data, you are collecting that data. आपको उसे बताना होगा कि आप किस लिए वो डेटा यूज कर रहे हैं, क्या पर्पस है, क्या स्टडी है, एंड यू विल यूज दैट डेटा इन दैट रिसर्च ओनली, राइट? राइट? ये बात मेरी आप तक पहुंच रही है या नहीं? यस, यस, पहुंच रही है या नहीं? यस,
Yes, sir.
कि हम वो डेटा बस you will use that data for that particular research only, which you have told the respondent. आपको उसे बताना पड़ेगा, and anonymity is also very important, and you will give him the undertaking. Often that is written in the questionnaire. We are talking about questionnaire here also, and we will assure and assure the respondent that we will not use data in a negative way, or in a way we are not telling you, and we will use the data for that research only. ये नहीं कि हमने बताया कुछ और यूज कहीं और कर रहे हैं. So this is about the respect of the respondent, and then honesty on the part of the researcher. What is honesty? Can you tell me what is honesty? What is honesty to you? Yes, what is honesty? What do you mean by honesty here? Yes. Yes, Asif, what is honesty? Yes. Yes, what is honesty? What is sincerity? What is honesty? Yes, what is honesty? Yes, what is
Following the
honesty?
proper research ethics.
Yes, we are talking about that proper research ethic. What is honesty? Yes.
Not copying data from other research, or not putting proper reference.
That we will come to later. That is plagiarism, and we are talking about when we are actually collecting the data from the respondent. Question by questionnaire method, or by interview method, or any other method. Yes. Honesty is, what is honesty? In general terms, what is honesty? Yes.
So actually, honesty means a truthfulness or one which we can rely.
Truthfulness, yes. Means what you will do, what you are saying, that is honesty. What you are, what perception you are giving, you are that. Okay. We are not going into detail, that is a moral question. One very important thing in research is avoiding bias. This is not only for you, this is for us supervisors also, that we will not indulge in biased behavior. And for you also, what is bias? What is bias? Can anyone tell me what is bias? आपको पता होगा तभी तो आप अवॉइड करेंगे. Yes, what is bias?
Sir, I think, to take on sides or
To
partiality.
take sides, to favor someone. Huh?
Yes, sir, a partiality.
Can you explain it a bit more? Yes. Can you explain it a bit more? Yes. What is biasness? What is biasness? Yes, Aarti, what is biasness? Today only Aslam's voice is there. Yes, Aarti, what is biasness? What is biasness, or what is not being biased? Yes. Yes, Tahreem, what is being biased? किसको कहते हैं bias होना?
So biasness can be called a deliberate attempt to either hide facts or underrepresent or overrepresent them. So it may undermine the truth, the reality of the situation.
Yes, but it is not the core meaning of biasness. You are right, you are not wrong. But what you are telling is the symptom, not the actual problem. Yes. Yes, Salim, what is biasness? Yes, what is biasness? Suppose I am your supervisor and you are saying that my supervisor is being biased. What does it mean? चलिए अपने बारे में बताना मुश्किल होता है, मेरे बारे या अपने सुपरवाइजर के बारे में. In general, what does it mean? Yes.
So to favor something or someone more than the other.
Over some other. Not treating everyone on actual. Yes, Aarti, you're right. So it is on part of me and on part of you. It is the personal bias towards individuals. And any other biases we have? Yes. Any other biases we have? Okay, let me add one more.
Sir, gender biasness भी हो सकता है,
Yes,
religious
gender
bias.
biasness is there. Yes, you favor a particular gender, be it male or be it female. Yes,
Yes.
gender biasness is there. There is. Let me ask a deeper question here. When you use the term gender, what is the difference between gender and sex? Can anyone tell me what is the difference between gender and sex? We use them interchangeably, but they are different in meaning.
So gender is a social construct,
Yes.
while
Yes,
sex
gender
is a
social,
biological
construct.
term.
But how it differs from the sex? biological sex. How it differs from male and female. Actually, gender is the role which you perceive and which society gives you, being male or being female. What society thinks that your role should be. For example, society gives the role of protector or brevity to male, and role of care and nurturing and nursing is to females. That is not the real thing. The society gave us that role. That is the gender is role, and we are not going in that detail. Okay, so gender biasness may be there, and religion biasness may be there, caste biasness may be there. Can you give any example of caste biasness? Yes.
Sir, ghetto.
Yes, ghetto, yes. But what is caste biasness? How does it translate into the behavior? How does it translate into the behavior? कास्ट बायसनेस कैसे दिखती है लोगों के बिहेवियर में? किस चीज़ को आप कास्ट बायसनेस या रीजनल जेंडर बायसनेस या रिलीजन बायसनेस कहेंगे? यस,
सर कास्ट बायसनेस का एक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक तो ये है कि अनटचेबिलिटी.
Yes, untouchability. No, but in research, we are talking about in research. That is the social custom. That is the value of social custom. But how does it translate in research?
Sir, excluding and neglecting someone.
Excluding and neglecting someone, and yes, what you people are supposed to be doing in research? I think the basic question is that what we are going to do in research, what we are doing in research. Then we can tell what is the biasness and what is the openness. Yes, what you people are doing in research, what you people be doing in research. क्या कर रहे होंगे आप रिसर्च में? इनफैक्ट डिग्री लेने के अलावा, डिग्री लेने और जॉब पाने के अलावा आप रिसर्च में एक्चुअली क्या कर रहे होते हैं? यस समीम, डोंट नो वेयर ही इज. आई एम नॉट हियरिंग हिज वॉइस. yes Fareen, what we are doing in research, we will be doing in research, what you will be doing in research. Yes, Aslam. What we will be doing in research?
I think,
Yes.
we are contributing something to the society. That would be for the benefit of society.
How we are
And
contributing?
irrespective of religion, caste, and gender.
Yeah, you are right. But how we are?
If we are,
How we are contributing to the society?
So depicting the ground reality.
Yes, depicting
if
the
a
ground
soci-
reality. Yes, Aarti, yes, Aslam. Yes, Aslam, you were saying something?
if one social issue is identified and we have, yes sir. Sir, there are a lot of social issues, and the research is to identify the problem and
Identify the
find out the
problem
solution of that
and-
particular problem. And if
Identify the problem
and
and
if we the problem is identified, and to try to find out the solution of that
And
particular
try to
problem,
find out the
irrespective
solution.
of gender,
Yes.
religion, caste, everything.
yes. Means to identify the gap or problem, identify the problem or problems. You can see what I am writing on the board. Yes, can you see? Perhaps. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is visible, but not too much clear, sir.
It's not too much clear. Okay. That's the problem of online classes. Now, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. It's all right now.
Okay.
All right, sir.
To
Okay.
identify the problems and to search, or identify the problems, or you can say identify the questions and to search for the answers. यही तो कर रहे होते हैं हम रिसर्च में. जब आप टॉपिक ढूंढ रहे होते हैं तो वी से दैट आइडेंटिफाई द रिसर्च गैप. What is the research gap and what are the problem? Identify the problem, and then our whole research is to search for the answers, isn't it? या मैं बहुत आइडियल बात कर रहा हूँ?
Yes, sir.
क्या yes? हम बहुत आइडियल बात कर रहा हूँ. Yes, we search for answers, and to search for answer, what is necessary to search for right answers? What is the main parameter? कब आपको सही जवाब मिलेगा? अगर आपको
So the parameter, the findings should be holistic or inclusiveness. I mean,
that
every
is about
I
findings.
mean, the
Aslam.
elements of the society should be included.
Aslam, you are talking about findings. I'm not talking about findings. I am saying that what are the necessary parameters when you will get the right answer. We have established that we are searching for the answers. We have identified some problem and we are searching from the answers. So when we will get the right answer? First thing is we have to ask the right question, and when will you get the right answers? Yes, Fareen, when will we get the right answers? Are you there, Fareen? Do you hear me? Perhaps Fareen cannot hear me. Tamkeen, can you hear me? Kismat Duha, I want to hear your voice.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, when we collect the data according to that question, which
Yes,
I
of
have,
course, of course. And
yes,
what,
some questions.
one thing, actually we are talking about the behavior and ethics. So what behavior you should follow that you will get the right answer? कब आपको कोई बहुत सही जवाब देता है? कब आपको कोई सही, या आप किसी को
जब
सही
हम अनबाइस्ड रहेंगे.
अनबायस्ड, हाँ, एक तो शर्त है कि अनबायस्ड, और अनबायस्ड की बात हम, यस, when the person who is giving you, who is supposed to give you an answer, knows that you are unbiased, and when you are open, to all suggestions, when you are open to all answers, you are unbiased and you are open to all answers. When it is not so that if it is coming from a girl, you say that लड़कियां तो ऐसे ही कहती हैं, or equally if it is coming from a man or boy, you say the men are like that. That is not the attitude to get the correct answers, right? You have to be open for all the answer. Are you saying that the person of that religion talk like that, a person of that social strata talk like that? When you are free of these biases and you are open to all answers. So I think crux of the research, I tell to my research scholars when they come to talk about the research, that I want one condition, that you go to research with an open mind. What does it mean? You are free of biases, you are having an open mind, and interestingly, you don't have the answer for that question. मेरी बात आप समझ रहे हैं? अगर आपको पहले से ही जवाब पता है, कभी कभी हम, we are a judgmental society. तो कभी कभी हमें पहले से ही जवाब पता होता है, हम बस रिसर्च कर रहे होते हैं डिग्री लेने के लिए. You getting me or not? If you have all the answers, don't go for the research. If you know the answer, don't search for the answer. You getting me or not? अगर उस सवाल का जवाब आपको पहले से ही मालूम है, don't go for the research. There's no need to do research for that question. Why? Maybe the reality is different from your view, from your perception, isn't it? Reality may be different, and if you have a definite answer in your mind, then that will hamper your judgment, isn't it? You will search for the answers, you will search for the evidences to prove your predetermined answers right. मेरी बात आप समझ रहे हैं? अगर आपको पहले से ही कोई बहुत स्ट्रांग व्यू है किसी बारे में, तो आप एक्चुअली आप जवाब नहीं ढूंढ रहे होंगे. आप क्या कर रहे होंगे? आप एविडेंसेस ढूंढ रहे होते हैं, राइट? Isn't it? ऐसा होता है नहीं होता सोसाइटी में? इन अवर बिहेवियर ऐसा होता है कि नहीं होता? Yes. Do you agree with me or not? You may not be agree with me.
Yes, sir.
हम जवाब नहीं ढूंढ रहे होते हैं अक्सर, हम हमेशा नहीं. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट कि सभी लोग ऐसा करें. We are searching for the evidences to prove our answers right? And you will find what you were looking for, right? जो आप ढूंढ रहे होते हैं वही मिलता है आपको. तो अगर आप पहले से ही कोई आंसर आपके दिमाग में है, तो डोंट गो फॉर द रिसर्च ऑन दैट टॉपिक. एटलीस्ट जिसका आंसर आपको मालूम है उस पर रिसर्च करके क्या करेंगे, बता दीजिए, राइट? Isn't it? Don't do research. When go to the research, at least if you know the answer partly, at least you are open to a different answer. अगर आपकी ओपिनियन गलत भी साबित हो रही है रिसर्च के आउटकम से, बी ओपन फॉर दैट. डोंट ट्राई टू प्रूव योर आंसर. योर रिसर्च विल नॉट वर्थवाइल. Actually, you don't have the answer, you have the opinion. You are confusing about between opinion and opinion, perception and answer, isn't it? Your opinion may be biased. Actually, opinions are often biased. Your perception may be biased. Your perceptions are often biased. It is the result of your experiences in life and your upbringing, right? So don't go. That's why behavioral research or social research is very difficult. Because you have the answers before starting the research, and when you have the different answer and you are rigid on that, if you have the answer, then also you can be open that the real answers may be different from my answer. If the finding of the research is proving you wrong, be open to that. अब आपने 5 साल या 4 साल काम किया है, तो बगैर काम किए जो आंसर था उससे डिफरेंट हो सकता है. That may be the correct answer, and often that is the correct answer which is supported by data and research, isn't it? Otherwise, on social questions, everyone has an opinion, everyone has a perception. So we have to be open and honest. One thing is very interesting in research that is very difficult to follow, but that is the part of the ethics all over the world. That is openness in sharing data. It is part of the research ethics. Openness in sharing data. Is that a correct ethics? Yes. Is that a correct ethics? Yes. Openness in sharing data. Yes. Yes. That is a very difficult question. Openness in sharing data is very difficult. हमारे सबके दिमाग में है कि we don't have to share our data, isn't it? But what is the point of doing research if you are not sharing the conclusion and your research to the world? Yes. What is the point of doing the research when you don't intend to share it with the world? Yes. Tamkeen. I think her mic is not. Yes, Aarti.
Yes, sir.
क्या हमें अपना डेटा शेयर करना चाहिए? It is established in research ethics that we have to be open and sharing data. Yes. Is it a correct ethic or not? Yes. That is a very difficult question. That is a dilemma. Yes, Tahreem. We should share our data or not? No.
Yes, sir. We should share, but we can't share actually. In reality, we don't share the real data.
We don't share the real data. Actually, this phrase that doesn't mean that what we understand. Nobody is saying that you share the raw data. It is saying that be open with your data. Don't hide the data. If you are presenting some conclusion to the world, you cannot say that I cannot tell you the data, because data is the basis of that conclusion, isn't it? So that is a difficult question, of course. We will talk about it a little later. Respect to fellow researcher. One researcher takes is respect to fellow researcher or collaborator. Someone may be collaborating with your research in a project, your supervisor, your fellow research scholars may be collaborating with you. You will have to respect them. Actually, we are a very judgmental society. Have you experienced it? I often say that we are a judgmental society. What do I mean for that? We are a very judgmental society. We are always behaving as if we are examiners. कोई बात आई, हमने फौरन एक फैसला सुनाया कि एक्चुअली वो ऐसा है इसलिए ऐसा कह रहा है, isn't it? That is a very bad thing for research. We don't have to have predetermined notions. Predetermined notions are very detrimental to the thoroughness of your research, isn't it? We will come to the plagiarism which is mentioned in your syllabus, but before that, these ethics are very, very important. We have to be open with that. Plagiarism is a different thing. Yes, plagiarism should not be there. We will talk about it, what plagiarism is and what plagiarism is not. But any other ethics you think of reminding me? We will talk about some other ethics on next term, but we should have a discussion on these we have discussed today.